one of our crews out here, and essentially what we do, if I'll just kind of take you on a general tour of the yard, what we typically do is we always set up this patented catch-all system. We take, clean up debris very seriously. We never want, pets, animals, anybody to step on nails. So debris slides off the roof instead of getting in the landscaping. And that not only helps with cleanup, but we want to leave it better than we found it. So what we always do is, and if you'll pan over here, what we always do is we always bring a trailer with wheels on it. That's twofold. A, it's easier to get on and off the driveway. The other reason is it won't damage a driveway. A lot of companies like to use roll-offs. We don't, because we don't want to take the chance of damaging your driveway. What the guys will do first when we first show up, we set up, which we'll get into in a moment, we set up a safety table with our OSHA equipment, fire extinguishers, safety, evacuation plans, first aid kits, eye wash, everything that we take very seriously. One thing about our company you'll learn is we take safety very seriously. Commonly, if you've done any research on us, we say the SEC family a lot. This is our family on the roof. Obviously we consider the customer family, and we want to do the best job possible and as safe as possible. So essentially what we're going to do is when we show up, we immediately start tearing off the roof. And by tearing off the roof, it exposes anything that we may find that could be wood rot, any unforeseens, maybe the flashing where the stucco is meeting the roof, the flashing may need some work, may need to do something with that. But essentially, this is the vital part that, that you can never really see until you tear off the roof. So from there, which we'll get into a little bit later, possibly in another clip, from there, once we tear everything off systematically, side by side, we never want to tear off the whole roof at one time, because by tearing off the roof, it's Florida, you get afternoon storms, we don't want to have to put tarps on roofs or take any chances with interior leaks. So once we just work our way around the house, and we essentially go from there. So join me in another clip at some point, here in the near future. We'll take you on the next aspect of the job, which is to show you what decking sheathing is, how it's supposed to be nailed off to current Florida building codes, high wind codes here in Lee County. And I look forward to taking you on that journey. Thank you.